So at the moment, I'm halfway through doing our free newsletter course here on the channel. We're around about day 13, 14, but I couldn't not make a video on this offer because it's so good. This is Scalenut, and at the moment they're having a 50% off sale. And the reason for that is this product is 2 years old. So there's 2 years worth of development and prompt engineering gone into this product. And it's great if you are writing a blog and you need SEO and maybe you're paying for multiple tools. Well, with this, there's a good chance that you'll be able to cancel all those different subscriptions and do everything within Scalenut and have AI write your content, but not just your blog content, but also your social media content, any kind of copy that you need. Now, I'll show you the pricing in a second, but I just want to walk you through Scalenut. Now, we do have full walkthroughs on the channel. I'll leave a link to Scalenut in the description as well as those videos. But as you can see, you've got a one-click content plan, multiple blog ideas, SERP-based topic clusters are what you can create, which anyone who knows anything about SEO knows is essential to help with your EAT and authority when it comes to SEO, and you get recommendations as well. You can start off with a free trial if you want to check this out. What happens is you're able to put in information about what you want to rank for, and then this tool will use its SEO software and its AI software in order to write the content for you. Things you definitely want to know about this: the cruise mode is really, really simple. Basically, you put in the context of your SEO blog. It will come up with some title ideas. You pick that. It will give you outline ideas. You can analyze what your competitors are doing. It will then give you the main writing points. So it will give you sort of your H2, H3 headings, and then it will give you the writing points. All of that you can move around, you can edit it, you can refresh it, and then it will give you the first draft. It also has a keyword planner, so it gives you relevance and search volume, so you can kind of pick out which of the keywords that you want to go after, which ones are best for you based on how big your website is, how much authority you already have. The content optimizer is a game changer in my opinion, because what it allows you to do is it gives you average score of other websites, your competitors on page 1, the top score, and then it helps you work out where you need to improve in order to move this score up, and you can watch it move up as you go. It tells you exactly what the issues are. You can use the AI to fix it, or you can fix it yourself. It's got NLP terms, which we know are incredibly useful. So as you're writing your article, it will analyze how many of these terms you have used, how important they are, and then you can go ahead and you can use these terms, and it also suggests where they should be as well. And as I said, you're not just using this for your SEO blogs, you're also using this as well for your other copywriting that you need to do on your website, on your social media, to drive traffic to your website. And then also you've got a traffic analyzer as well in here, so you get insights on how your pages and keywords perform on search engines, improve your content strategy, boost visibility, and grow organically. So you can see here already, if you're outsourcing copywriting to a team, you're going to save money. If you're paying for something that is analyzing where your traffic is coming from, then you're going to save money. If you're using if you're paying for a tool that will analyze your keywords, you're going to save money. And not only that, you're using AI in order to write your articles for you. But at any point, you've got the ability to be able to edit and take control. So you can put your brand voice in there. You're not just relying on AI. We always say here on this channel that AI is just doing some of the work for you, maybe 70%, maybe 80%, but you need to have that final touch. You need to humanize it. But as you can see, this is a very high performing product which gets really, really, really good reviews and loads of success stories. You can go through all of this. As I said, the link is in the description and you can try it for free. But what I want to show you is the offer. But this is what I want to show you because they've got this, as I said, 50% discount going on at the moment. So I'm on the yearly option, which gives you the best deal. You can see growth here is the most popular, but we've got essential, we've got growth, pro, and enterprise. So if you start off with essential, individual creators and consultants, and then growth would be for your startup as you're growing, and then pro would be for your large teams. But you can see here we've got a 50% off, with the mega launch offer, 40% here for the limited time offer, and you can see all the other discounts as well. But basically what you're getting, £20 a month, you can start your free trial. As you can see here, you're getting billed annually. You're getting 100,000 AI words per month in this particular option, in the essential option. You can create SEO articles. So we've got 10 articles per month is what you're getting. You've got traffic insights, you've got your trends digest, so you can see what's trending, 40 plus AI templates, so that means sort of all the different tools you can use for social media or writing a product description, not just a blog post. SERPs analysis, again, as I said, you might be paying extra for that. SEO editor, so you can do everything within the cloud. So if you're moving around to different places, you can do everything within Scalenut. You don't have to have it in different places. You can share documents. So if you're working for a client, you can share the documents, and you've got email and live support. So that plan there is pretty insane value. You've also, if you want to go higher and you want to write more words, you've got unlimited words and up to 60 articles here in this growth plan for $40 a month. You can analyze web pages, build keyword clusters, audit and optimize pages. So this is massively powerful if you're at the point where you are wanting to really rank, look at your competitors and outcompete them. So you get everything that's in the first plan, plus you're getting these. You've got unlimited tone of voice, fix it auto optimizer, one-click WordPress publishing as well, so you can get it onto your WordPress site. And then you get some additional SaaS credits, and you get some integrations. And then as you can see, if you've got a bit more money and you've got the pro version, then you just get more analysis and more options when it comes to clusters and page audits. So really powerful tool. As I said, walkthrough is down in the description if you want to see me use this tool, so you can get an idea of exactly how it works and write an article with it. If you are interested in picking it up, the link is down in the description. And as I mentioned at the beginning of this, we do have a newsletter business course, and you could use Scalenut in order to help you write a newsletter if that's something you don't already have on your business or you're not consistent with it. Click the link that's just popped up now, and you'll be able to check out that free course if you're interested. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next one.